start again. It's a rage thing.
So, the second generation of Apple AirPods got released last year, March 2019, along with the optional wireless charging case. So, as of 2020, there are three varieties available in the market. The first one is AirPods Pro. This will cost you around $250. The second one is AirPods second gen with wireless charging case. This will cost you around $200. The third one is AirPods with charging case. This will cost you around $160. This is the budget friendly option which I have got from the Apple Store. If you are keen on wireless charging case, you can get one separately for $50 from the Apple Store. Now let's quickly unbox this package and see what we can expect from this pack. So from the package, we have got the AirPods second generation user guide. So you can refer to this to do the initial setup. Then we have got a cute little charging case with AirPods in it. And also we have got the lightning cable. I think other than that, there is nothing else inside this package. So about the battery life, 15 minutes of quick charge can give you 3 hours of listening time. Amazing, isn't it? With fully charged charging case, you can use it for the whole day. In other words, I would say 24 hours of battery life with charging case in your hands. Also, a single charge can give you 5 hours of listening time of music and videos based on your usage. Now let's talk about the setup. It's really easy in AirPods. Open the charging case like this and turn the case and press the button for 2 to 3 seconds and you're done. Once the pairing is done, the pop-up screen will appear in your iPhone that will show you the battery percentage of AirPods and the charging case separately like this. So based on that you can charge accordingly. Now let's talk about the important part, features and how to customize the controls. So click on the Bluetooth menu in settings. Here you can see the list of connected devices. So you have to click on the eye icon next to the name of your AirPods. Here you can customize the gesture controls of your AirPods. So click on the left menu and choose the option you want to set it for your left AirPod. Then you have to do the same thing for your right AirPod. So you can choose the previous track, next track, play and pause, or anything you want them to do when you tap on them. So these are all the gesture controls you can customize for your left and right AirPod. Even you can turn off the gesture control for a specific AirPod. That option is also available. That's also one of the cool feature. So then we have automatic ear detection. This is my favorite feature in AirPod second gen, and we'll talk about this later in this video. Then we have microphone options. As I have mentioned earlier, automatic ear detection is my favorite feature in AirPods 2. Now let me show you how this actually works. Both of my AirPods are now connected to my ears. Now let me take my pad iPhone and play some music from that. Now I'll take off one of my AirPod from my ears, which will automatically pass the music. You can notice that here in the screen. Now notice again, music will play automatically once I put back the AirPod in my ear again. Undoubtedly cool feature, isn't it? Now it's time for how gesture controls works. Just tap on the head of the AirPod. Whatever you have configured in your AirPod settings will work smoothly. So you don't need to take your phone out to go to change the previous track or next track. All can be done using the gesture controls. AirPods 2 offers another useful feature that is completely hands-free Siri operation. So we can use the gesture control to enable and
Hey
give your
Siri,
commands to Siri. So Siri can listen and respond
can you call
without
Christo?
interrupting your music and execute the command given. So you can notice in this demo, I gave a command to Siri to call Christo while I'm listening to music. Now I will show you how to see the remaining battery percentage of your AirPods. So inside your AirPods case, we have got the LED indicator which will show you the color green or amber indication based on the remaining battery available. But to see that in your screen, keep the AirPods case and pad device together nearby distance. Now connect the AirPods into the case. Once done, you could notice a pop up screen appearing in your pad device, in which you will get the remaining battery percentage of your AirPods and the case separately like this. This will help us to identify when the charge is low and charge accordingly. Overall, AirPods 2 is a great quality product from Apple. It's pretty small, compact, which can fit into your pocket easily. Also, it offers many features which are still worth considering in 2020, like wireless charging case, automatic ear detection, and complete hands-free Siri operation, audio sharing between two sets of AirPods, improved battery life for 24 hours, and much more than that. And all these features for just $160. What else you need? It's pretty much does the job really well, and I'm more than satisfied. But still leaving the choice with you all, it's totally up to you to select the AirPods 2 in 2020, but definitely it's a great value for $160. If you find this video useful, give me a little bit of encouragement by hitting the like button. Comment down your thoughts about AirPods 2 in 2020, and most importantly, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon next to it to get notified on our future videos. Thank you.